What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to the Drippyist Collectibles. Today we will be opening 6 Unified Minds booster packs. Now let's get into it. Okay, so today I have 6 Unified Minds booster packs that I will be opening up on the channel. I'm gonna get these out the pack, but before I do that, I want to open up 2 of them just so you guys can check out the cards and what comes inside. There goes the booster pack, Unified Minds. Love the artwork. Got the code for whoever needs it. And Pikachu. Sorry about the glare, y'all. I'm gonna add this one right to my Pikachu collection. First, for this video, I got some sleeves. Got them standard soft sleeves. Put that bad boy in there. Nice. These are dope collectibles. Especially if you're into the game. The trading card game is a good way to just show off. And showing your coins. You need these. Next, we're gonna be opening up the Pseudo booster. Comes with the pack. Unified Minds. Whoever wants Pseudo, he's yours. There you go. Beautiful, beautiful card. Love the OG cards. Even though he's probably like what? Second wave, third wave. Still fire. Got Mewtwo and Mew. Umbreon. I don't know what the other guy is. And these two, beautiful, beautiful. Now I want to give you guys, for those of you out there who play the card game, here's the code. Alright, we got that out the way. Now let's get into these booster packs. Which one should I'm gonna save the Mewtwo and Mew for last, just because those are my favorite. You can see here also got a little Mewtwo card. Love this card. Lampet, Breloom, Dark City, Noibat, Sneasel, Bounsweet, Joltik, Salandit, Normalized Z for the reverse holo, and a holographic Giratina. Okay. Sorry about the glare, y'all. Using flash on the camera is a little bit dark here. Soon getting new light. Alright, let's put these in some sleeves. I don't know about you guys, but I like the reverse holos, man. They look pretty sweet. The whole card is lit up, shiny. It's fire. Alright, let's get into the next pack, man. Hit that like button for something good. Let's see, you know what that green means. 1, 2, 3, 4. For those of you who don't, gonna find out. Leaf Energy. Type Null. Alright, come on, focus up, focus up. Pokemaniac. Lapras. OG right there. What? Craig? Whatever. Marini. Damn, that's nice. Fomatis. Riolu. That's a nice card. Purloin. Ooh, reverse hollow Riolu. And Galvatula. Alright, we got 4 packs left, guys. Let's get into the next pack. We got the Unified Minds, Umbreon art. Let's get into it. Please hit that like button for some luck. We got a Cubone. Fire. Fairy, okay. Selenium Z. Blizzard Town. That focusing. Come on, come on. There you go. Why not? Cubone. Druddigon. A Shroomish. Dryflume. Dupiter. Reverse Hollow Cresselia. And what's under this? Ooh, Full Art GX. Naggledale. See, I don't know some of these new cards, man, but this one is fire. This is dope. Nice, nice, nice. I love the way these cards come. Let's see this, how it look, the centering. It's a little off from left to right, but it's pretty dope. Nice. Let's leave that bad boy up. Nice. On to the next one. Let's get it. Not so bad pool so far, man. Been doing good. For our next pack. Come on, let's get something good. This pack's been kind of dry, man. Yep, you know what that green means. It's alright. Let's see what we can get here. Leaf Energy. Tag Switch. Whatever. U-turn board. Marini. Fomatis. Riolu. Purloin. Joltik. Reverse Hollow P-Dove. And a regular rare Licky Licky. Lickety Licky. Okay. Didn't see that one before. Alright guys, we down to our last 2 packs, man. Let's get something good in these, man. Let me save this one for last. I got a good feeling about that one. Let's pop that joint open. Throw that card away. I ain't trying to see if it's good or not. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's get some fire in this one. Steel, okay. Eldium, U-turn board, Caracosta, Bounce Sweet, Salandit, ooh, that's a nice one. Scraggy, Tynamo, Cubone, Reverse Hollow, Excadrill, and regular rare Driftplum. Alright guys, we're down to our last and final Unified Minds pack. If you guys like what you see, man, hit that like. Drop a comment, let me know if I should keep doing these. You know what I'm saying? I ain't no Pokemon expert, no Pokemon master. I'm just having fun on the channel, man. Let's get it. Last pack. Also, I got some more packs to open for you guys. Just give me a little bit. Yo, 1, 2, 3, 4. Guess that. We gonna go with fire. Leaf again. Hapu. Magneton. Sableye. Joltik. Dratini. Yungoos. Yanma. Execute. Reverse Hollow. Hoot Hoot. And regular rare Gumshoes. Well guys, that's it for the channel, man. Well guys, that's it for the video. If you guys like what you see, hit that like, hit that sub, tap that notification bell, and comment down below if you want to see more Pokemon openings, man. Let's continue this journey to become a Pokemon master. Alright guys, man, thank you for watching. Peace.